Hey everyone, Miss Stoffer here. This is Gable along with Student Government, and I thought it would be nice to throw in a virtual Spirit Week to keep the morale up as we finish the last few weeks of the school year. With our virtual Spirit Week, we are going to share our photos in our gear on the Padlet page. Each picture must be approved before it will actually show up here on the Padlet wall. And you need to make sure you have your name included with your photo for it to be approved. If you scroll over here, there are also some more expectations for you to review before you submit your picture. Now to the fun part, Wednesday. Wednesday is Jersey Day. What sports are you missing right now? Wear your favorite jersey for that team or show their colors. It can be professional team, it can be local. Just show us what you miss being able to participate in. Even get active with your family and send a picture too of you all being outside and doing something together on Wednesday. For Thursday, it's getaway day. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot wait to go on vacation whenever things open back up. So I'm going to be thinking about what would I wear the next time I get to pack for a vacation, and that's what I'm going to wear on Thursday. Also, you guys have been playing around with Zoom a little bit, or Microsoft Teams, or your webcam. See if there's a fun way that you can put a background that has to do with the destination that you would want to visit. And last but not least, Friday is Formal Friday. Okay? We want you to think of your favorite outfit. Okay? If you were going out for dinner or you were going to a special event, what is your favorite go-to outfit that just makes you feel special? Maybe you're gonna do your hair. Maybe ladies or so, you're gonna put some makeup on. Okay, you're gonna get out of your pajamas for the day. Okay, send us in that formal Friday wear. We also are encouraging all of our staff members to participate in Spirit Week. So pop back on here every day to see who's joining in on Spirit Week. And make sure, as I said, remember that we are approving photos before they are posted. So don't get discouraged if you don't see your photo pop up right away. Just keep on checking it out. Thanks, guys.